how many businesses do you have?
I just have Repair King. I do some other things unofficially, but officially just Repair King.
Do you
It's
do a lot of repairs? I had to call him out. What kind of roofer names his company Repair King and doesn't do repairs? Why don't you do repairs?
this guy. Oh, because I got the company, it was already named. It'd be like if I took over a directory and they're like, "Do you direct people?" I'm like, you know. So it was Repair King before I got it. I definitely thought about changing the name of the company. I think about it all the time. I thought about it this year, but I'm nervous to do it. I think last time I was here was it 2 years ago already?
Hmm.
2 years. When last time I was here, I had just made the recently just made the logo change, which was huge for me because it was a drastic one. It was from an RK to a crown. It wasn't a gradual one. And I want to change the name bad. I want to get repair. I don't. I want to get repair off there, but it's
But
just
I think from marketing standpoint, repair gets leads, it gets clicks.
that's another strategy too. That's a reason to leave it. Also, I'm leaving it for I want to change it, and if I find the right thing and if it's worth it, maybe. But there's a strategy in you keeping the familiar name, the tenure that you have that comes with that. The other thing is repairs get us bigger deals. Almost when we go to a repair, we have our fingers crossed, hoping for a bigger deal. Even
Mhm.
if you I've also changed my strategy recently to just become a data hoarder. I just care about the data now. I want to get the data. So if I go to somebody's house, even if it's a lead, and this is and take the game, guys. Like if you guys are doing this, anybody out there, my suggestion is keep the data, keep any data you get. If you do a small repair, make sure I use AccuLinks. I don't know if you guys use Nimbus, whatever, but whatever software you use, make sure you guys are using the CRM. So I know some guys are using some free stuff, some cheap stuff, some I know one guy on Excel. It's like you better pay the subscription, buddy. But use a CRM and just become like a data whore. I just keep it all, and because then you got future customers, past customers. If I buy a lead, the way I view it is I own that data. If I go buy a lead package, say I buy 100 leads and say we close half of them or half of them turn into something, the other half are dead. I'm still taking those 50 other dead leads and they still go in my CRM as something. They're at least a dead lead so that now I can compound all the leads or anybody that I've had. So now I could just have hundreds or thousands of names and contacts. So if I want to do a mailer, or if I want to do something and go after somebody, or marketing, I now have the data, so it's future value.
And repair leads are always cheaper than replacement leads.
Absolutely, and a lot of time, what I realize is that homeowners want a repair. They think they want a repair. They call for one missing shingle. Well, guys, what's that turned into? Oh, it's discontinued. That's why it fell off, or you actually have hail damage, or I've gotten a property manager relationship from that because they called me because they wanted the repair. So slick. I kind of like the Repair
No,
King
I love
too.
it. Well, it's you have five times cheaper leads. You have way more calls. You have way higher. I mean, think about it. 70% of contractors don't do repairs.
Mhm.
And search, if you study Google or request search for repairs are five times greater than a
Mhm.
replacement. Nobody, like, it's common sense. People don't go on the internet searching for new cars or new stuff. They search for repairs first. If you have a car, you search for oil changes. You want to
Yeah.
service it. If you have a roof, you don't go like roof replacement. You will go roof replacement repair way more often. So you have 30% of competition doing it. So you're not competing with the 70 who don't do it,
Right.
and you have five times more the demand.
Yeah. So I guess so. I'm kind of coy and I kind of play with that, right? So do I do repairs? You see my reactions because no, I don't like to do repairs, but I'll take the repair calls. But I'm really going there because I know nine times out
You
of ten there's something else.
exactly.
So if you call, I mean, even if you call me, somebody just called me. I've got two this week. We're dead. It's 1 degree outside in Minnesota. It's cold.
Oh, it's colder than one
Yeah,
degree.
yeah, to this week, meaning Sunday and Monday, I've already gotten 2 repair calls. One was a flat roof and the other one was a leaky roof. Well, then I get out there, what am I doing? I'm keeping the data. I'll go out there, I'll check it out, send a roofer out, I'll go check it out or send a roofer out there. Um, but then I'm going back and I'm checking their home. They, "Oh, come check this out, my soffit fell." Do I really wanna go drive somewhere for freaking $25, $50, whatever, 100, whatever dollars soffit. It's under whatever that number is. Do I want to do that? No. But when I go there, I got my ladder out. Guess what I'm doing? I'm checking that roof.
Love it.
I'm checking that siding, checking this, I'm checking that.